Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I am working as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and providing technological solutions across the world. Now this video we are going to see data science or data massaging. This is the continuation of my previous video which was also based on data science, so I recommend you to watch my previous video. Now let's see, suppose in this video what we will see how to use Jupyter Notebook and Pandas. For example, a company gives you a CSV file and company's requirement is that combine these all address in one column and that data will be uploaded to the NetSuite. For example, see here. This is the data CSV file that I received: bill, house number, street, ship, and residence. Everything is written in a separate columns. Now company want this data in this format like this: billing address, New York 7th Street, then house number is this, and then 45th Crossroad, that is the street, ship, and this same data is to be uploaded in this way. Now we are having only one text area column, and company wants that this separate column data should be combined and it should be converted in this way, and then it should be uploaded into the NetSuite like this. So how to do this? Let's see here. Let me open. First of all, the CSV file that I receive, I will save it in a folder. Then I will read this. Import pandas as PD, right? Now pd.read CSV, customer address file. Now this in this folder, I am having customer address file, right? It is read in the form of data frame. Now complete address is the column that we are going to create in that data frame. Then we will concatenate the data. Billing address, DF bill. Now DF bill means, what is DF bill? Let me close this first. What is DF bill? This is the bill column. So this is the data frame. Inside that column bill is taken. /n means the line break, because we need the data in this format. So line break, house number, DF house number. DF house number means this house number. Similarly, here we go, plus /n street, this street, and again the column name, DF column name is street, like this way, street, and in this way we combine all the data, we concatenate the data. So here we have concatenated. Then DF dot to CSV means convert it into another CSV file, that is customer address file upgraded. And then now first of all, let me delete this customer address file upgraded. Yes, I have deleted it. Now what I'm going to do, first of all Control S and then Shift Enter. So in this way the data is created. Now first of all, here let's come here, customer address file upgraded. Now let me open this Excel file. It is also in the form of CSV. Now see here, you can easily see the difference. Here bill, this is the house number, this is street, this is ship to. Yes, see here, billing address New York 7th Street, house number 24, street this, shipping address is this, and then the residence is New Jersey. So in this way this data is combined in one column, one cell. Now what we can do, we can delete all these columns, and now the file has been upgraded. Now this file can be uploaded easily the way that we have already we have created a video on this bulk data uploading. I recommend you to watch that upload CSV video, and in this way the CSV is uploaded. So whenever you open this NetSuite, you will see the data in this format. So this is how, with the help of data science concept, we upload the data. We apply the pandas formula and function, and then we combine the data and then uploading the CSV. So guys, practice this exercise, and then if you have any doubt in data science, then you can write down in the comment box. I will create more video on data science also. So till then, keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.